Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Nico. I am the founder of Affiliate O, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up your mobile app affiliate campaign so that you can create a affiliate program for your iOS or Android device. So you're going to want to go to your business first. You have a personal profile and you have a business. On your business, you're going to see this App Store button. You're going to click that on the App Store. Then you're going to click on the mobile app affiliate. You're going to click add and you're going to go through this little basically tutorial in a way. It'll tell you exactly what to do as well if you read through it. Essentially, you're going to paste in your iOS App Store link, and you'll also, if you do have it on the Google Play Store, you can paste it in as well and under the Google Play Store. If you have both, great. If you only have one, that's fine. Now, if you have a landing page or some type of domain for your iOS app, you can put it in here as well. And this will benefit you in the future. I'll explain it in a little bit. So after that, you're going to put in your payment provider, whether it's RevenueCat, Stripe. Some people have been setting up Stripe as well. If you have the native Google Payments or Apple Payments, you can use that as well. If you have Adapty, that is fine as well. That works too. I would say the quickest one to set up would be RevenueCat, since RevenueCat is set up through OAuth. You're going to enable RevenueCat, and then you could just click here, connect to RevenueCat, and it's not working right now. It's not working right now for me because I don't have any links in here. So I'll show you guys how it appears at the end. Once you connect your RevenueCat through OAuth, you're gonna want to set a commission up for your affiliates, and they're going to be able to see this as well. You can either give them a percentage of the sale, or you can click a flat fee. So every sale that they get, you could pay them $2 or $1. It just depends on the pricing that you have set up for your products. Commission per product. So per product, you can set a certain percentage for each one. If you have like a weekly, a monthly, a yearly, you can set up the same percentage, or you can set up different percentages for different payment options that are available on your app. And now, since all my apps are listed, I'm going to go ahead and just click on my skincare app called Pimple, pimpl.com. So I've set it up as 40%. I have 30 affiliates. Here are my products. I have a lifetime. I have a monthly. I have a weekly. I have a yearly. And I have another yearly, but there's a discount on that yearly. Here you'll see the owner, you'll also get affiliate links. So you'll get a short link, which is affiliateo.com/r/a short, just a short ID number that's generated. And then you also get a username link. It's affiliateo.com/r/app name/ your username. You'll also get a direct link to pimpl.com/? ref equals username. And the way that works is that it'll get sent to your landing page that I mentioned earlier, if you have one, and then it'll automatically bounce to the iOS store or Android store, depending on the device that the customer is on. So you'll need to drop in the SDK into your landing page as well if you want that auto bounce feature from your landing page. If not, you can just use this automatic generated ones, the short link, the username link, or the QR code. If you're a person that likes to show your QR code, that's fine too. From here, you'll be able to see your own clicks, the sources, where they came from, what countries those clicks came from. You'll be able to see your transactions, organic, or from if it came from an affiliate-led click, it'll show the affiliate, and it'll show them as a trial, a renewal, a subscription, a refund as well. I'll get into that as well soon. You could track your own revenue, your own earned as well from your links. And so when setting up the app, obviously it's a mobile app affiliate. I picked a percentage. I have different products. I can edit the name, and then I can edit the percentage as well. As you can see here, and you can edit the price, but the price will come in. You can put in the price now, but it'll come in eventually as the sales come in. So whatever sale happened, it'll update the price with the real value. So if someone tries to change up the value here, at the end of the day, once a real sale comes through, it'll just update it. Here's the URLs. Here's my app store URL. I put in my landing page, pimpl.com, and I connected RevenueCat. And here is the SDK integration. If you're using React Native, Swift, Kotlin, Flutter, Vanilla.js. There's also a custom one as well if you don't want to use any of these. It's up to you. So the landing page snippet. So if you want it to generate the link where it auto bounces from your landing page, you can go ahead and put this in, the instant redirect. You put that into the landing page along with the SDK, and then you're gonna want to click this link in the API and the /docs page, the documentation. If you're using Cloudflare, if you're using Vercel, you just look at this. At the end of the day, you can just view it as a markdown and give it to your AI, and it'll set it up for you. Now, there's other sections. You can essentially just copy all of it and just give it to your AI and ask it what features are available. There's also a snippet of code here for your funnels. If you want to track your onboarding pages or certain pages and see at what point your customers are falling off, to improve your funnel, you can add this snippet of code. If you want to track certain buttons being clicked, you can input this code as well. And then so essentially it'll look a little bit something like this. So let's go over to Pimple. So I can see that in the last 7 days, I got 16 visitors. And in the very beginning, people started falling off, but then it was pretty steady after that. And then you could see what countries, you can see the users. It's going to anonymize it, but for the most part, you could see the progression of them going through certain pages where you've inputted those snippets of code. You can add the pages here. You can even click the suggest order, which it's a little algorithm to detect that the order at which the customers are going through your pages. And let's go back to the edit app. So we got through that. You can put certain requirements. You could put FAQs if people are going to have questions and stuff like that. But either way, if people have questions, you could chat with them. You could chat with your affiliates in real time. You could have meetings. It's up to you. Also, on top of that, all your mobile app affiliates, you're going to be able to track all the customers in real time on this global tracking feature. So let me show you, for example, I have MicBuddy, which is a speaking app, public speaking app. If I click it, it takes me directly to the app, and in real time, it's going to show up on the global map for me to see. So when I click it, you'll be able to see in real time. Or if I were to click the skincare one that I was speaking about earlier, so Pimple, right? Let me click it. Oh, guess it's not working. There we go. Opened it. Boom. Now, let me talk about this. So the apps, we have Mike Buddy and we got Pimple. US, iPhone was detected. Now, affiliates. Since Mike Buddy, I clicked on an affiliate link, which led me to the App Store. It's going to show the which affiliate brought them here, which affiliate brought the customer here, which was one affiliate that I clicked on before, and then the organic, meaning I came to the app, but I didn't come from a affiliate link. And then it says direct because I went directly to the app. If I were to come through from Instagram, it would say Instagram. If I came from YouTube, it would say YouTube. What else? And that's basically it for the mobile app affiliate campaign. Let me see. So you could see your transactions here. You could see your apps. You could put in your app screens here so that your affiliates could see what app screens you got. Maybe they can help you improve upon them. You could put in your onboarding pages here. Maybe people want to give you suggestions to help you out. I'm not sure. You can also track your affiliates here. I can see the clicks that they're getting, how many unique clicks, how many clicks in general. So unique clicks are different than general clicks because a user might click on that link twice. If they click it twice, it counts as one. That's why it says unique click. And from those clicks, you'll be able to see what countries those people came from. So for example, this guy came in from Steam, direct, countries, US. You can edit their commission. So if you have like a special deal with someone, you can set up their commission to be higher or lower. Now, if a customer clicks on an affiliate link and the customer ends up buying, it's going to come into the pending if there was a sale. The following month, once the first hits the following month, then those pending funds are going to switch over to the payable section. And at that point, that's when the app owner, you guys, anyone listing their app on Affiliate O, that's when you can pay them. You can either pay them individually here in this action column, or there's also going to be a pay all button here that's going to appear. So instead of having to go manually one by one paying each affiliate, which you could do, you can click the pay all button instead and it automatically deposits into their wallets and you'll be able to see your balance. So you're going to have to top up your balance. Like, you can either bank transfer or you can pay with a credit card or debit card. It's up to you. I'm using the Stripe API, so it's all handled through Stripe global payouts and all that good stuff. You can share your link so they can come in here. So if you share your link, it's going to say app link copy to clipboard. If you share it to someone, it's going to send them to Affiliate O. Once they sign in, then it'll redirect them here to your dashboard so they can become an affiliate. It's going to show up a big blue button. It's going to say become affiliate. And once they click it, then their links are going to appear. It's going to generate their links, their QR code, and it's going to start tracking all their attribution data. Let me see something. Let me see what else. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Let me go to Affiliate O. Sign out. In the API documents, if you do not want them to have to come to affiliateo.com because it might add a little bit more friction for them to become affiliates. You can, if you look at the API documents, there is embedded components now available for Affiliate.io. So if you just want to set up the affiliate system within your iOS or Android app, you now have the ability to set these components up. So you can set up a button that makes them become an affiliate. It'll add them automatically here in the dashboard that we have here. It'll show all the products that you have, and they could see the clicks, sales, and earned. And it's all available through the API. And you can get all that data through the MCP as well. You just generate your API key, and then your AI has access to everything. They'll be able to see their balance, all their transactions, what they've earned, what they've withdrawn, because they can withdraw from here to their bank using the embedded components as well. Once they've earned over $20, they're now able to withdraw. They can pick standard, they can pick instant. Instant has a little higher fee. The standard, if they're within the US, it's just $2. And then here's a little login sheet, another component. So it's either you can tell them, you can give them the link and they'll come to Affiliate.io and they could become an affiliate, or you could just set it up natively into your app so that it's all taken care of, all from your application, not having to leave and figure it out, So it makes it a little bit easier for you to, create that affiliate army to help you out with marketing. And at the end of the day, if you have 100, 1,000, 10,000 people promoting your app, you're going to win. There's no doubt about it. If you have 10,000 pieces of content going out every day about your app, you are destined to win. And now, why would those thousands or hundreds of people want to promote it? Because they're going to be earning a commission. Whatever view set for your app, they're going to be earning that. And then on top of that, if the customer renews every month, whether it's a monthly or a yearly, the affiliate will earn that every month as well. So not only is the affiliate going to be earning MRR, monthly recurring revenue, you're going to be earning monthly recurring revenue as well. So it's a win-win situation here. Now, let me talk about a few edge cases so that you guys know what is possible. If a refund happens, for example, let's see, maybe, let me log in real quick. Got logged out. If a refund happens, it's going to show up here as well. If it's organic, no problem. If it came in from an affiliate, it's going to get deducted from the affiliate, because it wouldn't be fair to you, the app owner, to pay an affiliate for something that got refunded or charge it back. If a chargeback occurred, it's going to act just like the refund, and it's going to get the amount that was earned in the beginning is going to get refunded back, so that you don't have to, pay out of pocket for that. Now, say you set the percentage at 50% for your affiliates. It's up to you. And then an affiliate got a few sales and the customer is renewing every month. The affiliate's getting the 50% and you're getting the rest. Now, if you were to change it down to 30%, you can drop it down at any time. The customers that are still earning that they got at the 50% will stay at the 50%, but the future customers will get the 30%. commission. You'll get the affiliate will get the 30% commission since you've set it to the 30%. And then they get locked in at 30%. But now if you switch it back to like 60%, the future ones will get put at 60%, if that makes sense. So it's like a locking mechanism because they were able to get that customer at that percentage that you had during that time. And now, since I'm speaking about, I basically covered a majority of everything. And so that was the mobile app affiliate campaign. And the web app affiliate campaign is basically the same thing, but just for websites. If you own a website, so some type of software as a service, it's essentially the same thing. So I might as well just not make a second video for that because it works essentially the same way. So this is Quegly. It's a social media scheduling tool. I have my different plans here. It generates the same links. Disregard the meta ads link. In the future, I could talk about the ads that you can run here. Essentially, I'm just using the APIs from those platforms for those scopes. You connect your ads account and you can run ads yourself, or you can let your AI run your ads since you just connected through the MCP. You generate your API key here on the left side, but I will talk about that in a future video. And so if you have a website and you're selling something, whether it's through Stripe, you can list it here and create your web app affiliate campaign here as well. It works similar. If you use Stripe, if you use Paddle, Polar, Watt Payments, Shopify Payments, if you're a drop shipper, if I was a drop shipper, I would want an army of affiliates as well. If you use WooCommerce, I know there's a lot of people that use WooCommerce still. You as well can list it here on Affiliate O. And the tracking, the funnels works the same way. If you want to add custom events so you could see if they're scrolling past a certain part on your landing page, it's up to you. You have the chat feature, so you can chat with your affiliates or anyone who wants to become or is interested in becoming an affiliate for your app. Same thing, you could track them here: organic, refunds, sales, trials, all that good stuff. You get a QR code. Now let's see, let's go to the App Store. In the App Store, it's going to show up as mobile web app affiliate. So you click add, you can put a name, test category. We got a few categories. I can add more if you want me to add more. It's up to you. On the right side, you can see a little preview of what it's going to look like in the Discover page. Because once you make it go live, it'll show up in the Discover page. You put in your website URL, you validate it real quick, you set the percentage, and you can click the payment processor: Stripe, Paddle, Polar, Watt Payments, Shopify Payments, WooCommerce. It's up to you. If there's any other payment processors that you want me to add, feel free to ask me, and I'll be more than happy to integrate it into the platform if it can help you out. You connect your Stripe account. It's through OAuth as well. What else? And then it'll basically walk you through the SDK, setting up the SDK, the scripts that you need to put in. You can basically just copy and paste, give it to your AI, and it'll set it up for you in like less than 30 seconds. I've made it as simple as possible so you can get set up as quickly as possible, so then you can scale. Because at the end of the day, if you scale with affiliates, you win, your affiliates win, and I win. So there is no way for me to win unless you win. So I hope everyone can understand that. The only way for me to win is for you to win. There is no, I'm not selling you anything else, but I'm just giving you the opportunity. If you want to scale with affiliates, you have the platform here. And yeah, that's basically it for mobile app and web app. I was only going to cover the mobile app affiliate campaign, but there's the web app as well, and it's basically the same thing. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me on Twitter or Instagram or TikTok or whatever. Thank you guys. Have a good night.